How do you edit your YouTube subtitle or transcription? In this video, I'm going to show you how. But before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my computer because this can only be done through computer as far as I know. And let me show you how you can edit the subtitle and transcription for your YouTube video. Let's go. Alright, so this one, I think I can only do this in computer. So turn on your computer. Alright, open up YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio. And then just go to a video that you want to edit, go to content, and then just find the video, for example, any video, okay, like this public video, just click on it. This is my video details to edit. At the right side, you just have to scroll all the way down. You can see here subtitle, click on that, and then you can see, just play along, alright? You can edit accordingly. Tips, X, right? Then you can see, right? Let's go back. You can see here the X here. Alright, yeah, so just edit accordingly like that. Of course, it should have X there, so let me just delete it. So yeah, so that's how you can edit your transcription or your subtitle inside your video directly through this YouTube Studio in YouTube at computer. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.